Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about JSH Gold bot. This bot we started it in January, and today we are completing 12 weeks. However, the intention of creating this video is not to show you the exact profitability, because the profitability is not that much. But however, we have been sustaining in this kind of market with this expert advisor. Okay, so we started with 10,000 US cents, and we started with 0.02 lot size. The important is like, in case if you like to trade with this expert advisor, we suggest 5,000 USD or either 5,000 US cents. It has to be 5,000 at least, not below than that. It should be 5,000 or above cents, US cents, or either US dollar. Okay, so on 5,000 US cents or maybe 5,000 US dollar, we can trade with 0.01 lot size on the lower risk side and 0.02 lot size on the medium to high risk side. Okay, so lower risk side can convert into medium risk anytime, because gold is very volatile and gold is very crazy. So let's start it from here. We start, and one more thing, like as I mentioned earlier also, it has a time filter that acts as a news filter as well. You can play with the setting. So like as you can see that in this case, like the start would be 1900 hours of your broker time, right? You need to check this time. This is not something that is related with your VPS or maybe your country's time. It is the time that your broker, it is the time of your broker. You need to see the market watch, right? So it depends on your broker. So its start time is 1900 and the end time is 1400. So it will not take trades, it will not trade for 5 hours. In this case, you can play with the setting. In case if you would like to trade for more hours, you can play with the setting, right? You can, you can stop the EA at 1400, like say 1500 or 1600. You can start with 1900 or maybe 1800, like whatever. But yes, that will be too risky, because at that time US market time was like time is there and it just about to open. So that is the most volatile moment. Most of the volatile moments are when the US market is about to open, and after that the most important news are about to publish. So like we just try to cover that particular time where most of the important news are about to publish, so that we can at least don't trade on that particular timing, right? Okay, so this is what about the timing is. Let's go from here. 10,000 US cents we started with, and so within these like 2-3 weeks, actually we saw very crazy movements in the gold, right? So gold is itself very crazy actually. That is the reason I am suggesting at least 5,000 US cent or 5,000 US dollar to trade with. This expert advisors works better on 30 minutes time frame, and there is another expert advisor, AGS, that is Auto Gold Scalper. That is a scalper EA that works on 1 minute time frame. For that, at least 10,000 USD or US cents is suggested, and for this one minimum 5,000 for 0.01 lot size. And since I am using 10,000, so I am using 0.02 lot size at the initial level, and the maximum lot size I set it up at 0.08. Actually on default it is 0.08 lot size. I would not suggest anyone to trade with more than 0.08 at the maximum lot size, even if you are starting with 0.01 or 0.02, but the maximum lot size is set up at 0.08. Actually we did not made much profitability in last 2-3 weeks, and the reason I have not uploaded the video, because last week I created videos on something else. I was like creating some expert advisor, because people were asking me to create expert advisors with some stop losses or something. And before that, on Friday, it was Good Friday, so the market was closed, so I was not able to create the videos on these 2 weeks. And even today, the only intention to create the video is just to show you that the EA is still working and sustaining. However, we stuck on few trades in the last 2 weeks, and I will tell you the reason why. Let me just go through all of these. Guys, I've recently created a Telegram channel. Please join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. I will highly appreciate if you can just join the Telegram channel. And I will be happy to deliver some quality content or maybe some valuable information in that particular channel. And I will not post any kind of information very frequently, so you will not be bothered with multiple notifications about the Telegram channel in case if I upload or some notify something. So guys, there is one advice like I would like to tell you. Even though the expert advisor is capable of taking the trades and closing the trades itself, but sometimes it happens that the market doesn't support, right? And the market is not behaving as per what the expectation is or as per the indicators or the things, right? If you can just see over here, there are a couple of, I mean, since there were a couple of trades that has been open for for a long time actually, right? So there were, so even the broker has deducted that kind of fees for every day. See, so like couple of trades were stuck from 3rd of April or 4th of April. We made a profit of around 3697, that is approximately 37% in 12 weeks. That's not bad actually, but yes, we could have made more. Let me show you, I mean, what happened exactly, right? See, okay, let's, okay. So on 3rd of April, actually on 3rd of April, see, like if you see this level, actually 1980 or something, right? So we stuck from this level actually, and this level, our TP was around 1980 or something. So the market reached over here, right? The market reached over here and it was very close actually. I think like it was almost at the TP, but our TP didn't close because on the cent account even the spreads are high. Okay, then it took many days, like from 14th it didn't, then on 17th, then 17th actually it hit it again, right? Our TP was somewhere around here, and somehow it went there, but somehow our TP didn't hit on 10th of April. That is the reason those trades were carried on for around almost 10 days actually, right? So what my suggestion is, in case like if you stuck with some trades which opened for a couple of days, and if you see the market is very much and like even when the market reached here, it didn't hit the TP, we were still were in some profit. So in such kind of cases, I would suggest you that just disable auto trading and close the trades manually so that it can open fresh, right? Because it has already been couple of days. If it would have been like 1 day or 2 days, then it's fine. Like even 3 days are fine, but I don't want to hold all the trades for a long time because you never know when the market trend changes. And about the broker manipulation as well, even if we reached here and our TP was here, but it didn't hit, right, due to spread reason or any other reason. And since this is cent account also, so the spreads are higher. But yes, the EA has sustained, and this expert advisor is specifically made on gold and how the gold patterns and how the gold behaves, and that is the reason. Uh, like we were sure that it will hit the TP, but still it took some longer time this time, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Like we have made almost 37%, and if you see the running trades, there are a couple of running trades. There are 4 sell trades and 1 buy trade, right? And if you want to see the detailed report, I can create the detailed report. It's today is 21st April. Right, so I will upload this report also. There is a download link over there in the video description where you can just click, like you can see the detailed reports as well. So these were, of course, the like that is a kind of drawdown, right? So market was trending anywhere between 1950 to 2057 or something like that, right? So there was a lot of fluctuation. That is the reason I'm suggesting you to trade with at least 5,000 US cents for 0.01 lot size, right? And 10,000 for 0.02. That is what I'm following as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. We cannot avoid these drawdowns because it is the truth of market, right? But the important is if you are able to sustain in that kind of environment. That is the main thing. We didn't made much profit, but we are still sustaining. So that is the only thing that is there in the forex market, because you can make profit sometimes and you can make losses also. But if you can just stand still and if you didn't lose, then also it's good. So that's I don't have any other thing to share right now, but please join my Telegram channel. So that's pretty much it, and we'll talk later. Stay safe, stay happy with your family. Take care. Bye.